What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I'm out here getting it in today. Cause like I said, man, I gotta make use of these first 2 days, man, cause rain's supposed to come in, and then after that it costs your time. So I'm gonna have like a couple days I ain't gonna be able to be out here doing what I need to do. So I'm making the most of the day. But man, y'all see I got Dolo uncovered and out on that wind blowing. Blew the cover there, and I got brown coat moved out the way. But I'm about to be tending to both of these cars, man. Y'all see that puddle on there, man? That puddle, that ain't from Meach. I mean, I said Meach. That ain't from Dolo. They're from brown coat. That transmission, man. That chrome transmission pan. This thing coming up out of here. It coming up out of here. But now I'm about to jack this thing up. I was like, man, let me go ahead and tend to this little let me tend to this vacuum line issue with the transmission, at least for now, until my Showtime transmission get done, and I can throw it in there. Cause y'all know Showtime power got to be in everything. I don't have Showtime transmission and brown coat at the time, and wifey car don't. Everything else got one. And then after that, I'm putting the wheels back on Dolo. So I'm gonna back it up and put the wheel back on, cause I ain't finna be out here in the rain and messing around and all that. Then I'm gonna put it back. So that we got on the agenda today, and we got to run the autos on too. So I'm trying to get this done fast, man. So y'all stay tuned. We finna get this thing jacked up and get to it. All right, checking in, y'all. So got on the deal, and it was hooked up at one point in time. It obviously been like this since I bought it, cause it always shifted. Y'all know that. But that's too big. It's in 2 pieces on the deal. I gotta trace and see where the rest of it going. Cause like I said, there was just a piece that fell off. I got this, which is a much tighter fit and better fit. It ain't running to the carburetor cause both of them vacuum ports capped off. So let's see that chrome pan, boy. I'm leaking chrome pans, boy. But let me see. Y'all see it right here, dangling. I gotta trade that thing and see where it going, cause I don't have no idea where it going. So I'm finna trace that, and we finna get this one, the new one, ran. Then I'm gonna have to dry this thing, see what difference it make too. Alright, man, I'll find with that a little bit, but that hole's too big. I put a little clamp on there. It's loose, but it's holding it right now. But I know as soon as it snaps, it's probably gonna snatch it off. So I'm just gonna buy a hose when I go to the parts store. But I am gonna drive it to see if it shifts better since I got it on there. So now I'm finna hurry up, run these wheels off. I probably roll a time lapse. So let's get it. We got big Dolo back mounted up. I'll find with that one. I got a bad lug on there. I don't know how it went on there, but I gotta go get another one. So I gotta pick up one of them when I get the autos on, and then I gotta take some lugs down there to R&B, since R&B use an M12 by 150, and damn B, what I tell you, walls and stuff. But yeah, cause I had bought M12 by 150s, but they take a 13-16 socket. Just to say he couldn't get a socket to go in there. So I'm gonna take them back and get the one that uses a 3/4 head. They got a 3/4 head on them. I got some somewhere, man. I'm trying to find them. Finna try to hunt them down first, and then do that. So I gotta buy a bunch of lugs now. I'm definitely taking them other one back, cause them jokers high. Them jokers is high, man. Lug nuts high these days. So I'm about to put Dolo back, cause I'm done with it. I'm gonna drive brown coat up the street, see what it hand like, and turn y'all back on. So y'all just got back from driving brown coat. They fixed that problem, but boy, when I say boy, that joker shift, that joker down there shift to third before you get out the driveway. So we still need that Showtime power. Y'all know it coming anyway. But I'm finna cover this thing up, man. We finna hit the road. All right, y'all see it, man. Look at it. It done started raining. But I end up going to AutoZone, getting the lug nut, and that's all I needed, man. So I got the wheel back on, and it just, man, it was getting dark, man. So I like, man, I ain't gonna be too much going on today. Look at all that water. Truck drives on the wet though. Short period of time too, man. And I don't think it ain't done. It ain't done, man. Water off of that car, it's gonna rain again. So but like I said, man, I know what I forgot. I went to AutoZone, I know what I forgot. Y'all, I was fine with that that vacuum line today, and I forgot to get the vacuum line. Cause I need to change that. Yeah, it fixed it, but I know it's gonna pop loose. I already know it's gonna pop loose cause it's too loose. I couldn't get that clamp tight cause I didn't have the exact proper size clamp. So I know it's gonna pop back a loose. And I need it on there for the time being. It make it more pleasant to drive when you got it in drive or whatever. Like wife in it, then she can drive it. It ain't got to be going to 5,000 RPM and about to snatch your neck off and all that. Yeah. Hey, you throwing around like that, ain't got to be doing all that. But all in all, like I said, man, I know it wasn't too much going on. I was gonna do more, but that rain came, man. Like the storm came through, and it came through, and it's a little break in it. So I got to come back out here and close my people out. But I actually was gonna do something else today, man. I'm gonna shoot a bunch of stuff, man. I'm gonna shoot some stuff for the BCG Hangout. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I got going on. I'm gonna shoot some old stuff with that. Man, the rain, man. The rain. So, but we getting ready for the car show, man. We getting ready for the car show. It is this week. It's this Saturday. Get ready for the car show. I'm all good to go. Dolo back mounted up on the 6s, running crispy, everything good on it. Like I said, I ain't gonna be doing nothing with them today. I'm not gonna be able to do nothing with them this week, cause if in the rain for the next 3 or 4 days, it's literally gonna rain all the way up into the car show. So I'm not gonna be able to do too much. But while I'm at it too, I like, why not make this video about Dolo as well, since I couldn't give y'all my original plan. So let me tell y'all what the problem was with Dolo when I went to the track on the last trip, why the Nitrous wasn't working, man. Y'all gonna trip out. I told the BCG Hangout peep, man, the BCG crew, the Hangout crew, man, they already know what it is. I said, man, I ain't wanna come on and say what the problem was, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I told wife, I was like, man, this junk here is embarrassing, it's crazy. But the problem, the reason the Nitrous wouldn't come on, I'm finna show y'all the problem. That was the problem right there. The foot. That's the problem, man. No lie. I promise I'll put on everything I love. Y'all, I was not pressing the pedal all the way to the floor, man. I said, man, I know you playing. Now past, I done pressed the pedal to the floor, man. I was not pressing the pedal to the floor. I did one time on motor, which is why it went probably the best it ever went on motor. But I wasn't even pressing the pedal to the floor, so it wasn't engaging the micro switch. Even when I was leaving on the trans brake, I was not pressing the pedal to the floor. It was just enough for it to engage on the two-step. It was just enough, you know, I don't have to press the pedal to the floor to engage the two-step. So my pedal got a little kink in it, man. Got a little spot, like you press it, and it'll stop. I know some of y'all know what I'm talking about. You got them pedals, man. You press them and they'll stop. And then you got to put a little more forward to it. It'll jump past that little spot. It'll jump past the little kink and just boom. That's how my pedal is, man. I press it to the floor and it got that stop. And then you have to go and push it down some more, man. I was like, golly, boy. I'm talking about them jokers whooping up on me, man. I was on motor though. I was on motor every time. And y'all can hear, you can hear my car too now. Most of y'all should know that, cause you can go back and look at the video when the nitrous did work. Y'all can look both times when Unc sprayed it and when I sprayed it. When I had it on the shifter at the time. The first time I ever sprayed it, it was spinning the tire bed. Go back and listen to that engine. Go back and listen to it. Listen to the car. So when I was down there at Middle Georgia Motorsport Park on the last video, that's why I'm telling y'all every pad that calls on motor. Cause I ain't pressed the pedal to the floor. So then I had a little more pedal to go too. So it really could have went. It really could have went faster. It could have went faster than what it went on motor too. I wasn't pressing the pedal to the floor, man. And that joker was still getting busy like it was getting busy. So I laughed about it when I got home. And I was like, man, that ain't never happened. That ain't never happened, man. Pedal went into the floor, even on the tram brake. And it was still snatching my foot out the tram brake. Whoa, whoa. So next time, I'm going to make sure, boy. I'm going to have to do what Don't Mouth said for real, man. I'm going to have to stand up in it for real. I'm going to have to stand on that pedal car. Man, that joker there eat, man. Pedal went on the floor. And y'all know it's on the micro switch. If the gas pedal is not completely pressed to the floor, it will not engage the micro switch, aka the wide open throttle switch. And that's what happened. It was not engaging the switch. That's why the car went spraying nitrous, y'all. That's what happened. It wasn't that technical. It was just this foot right here. It was the Air Force One. The right black Air Force One was going to the floor. But you know, it happens, man. It happens. It is what it is. So yeah, man. I hate I couldn't get y'all more action what I had planned, but at least y'all got some information on what happened. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.